Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all having a great day. I wanted to share with you a couple things that I have been working on. Now, they haven't been with any particular bead box or anything, but just stuff out of my own stash that I have been working on. I'm doing, there are a couple of different jewelry sets that I created. Now, they are beads from a bunch of different places, but I don't think anything that'll stand out. So this is my first one. I wanted to do like a really boho inspired dangle on the front. So I used the little Buddha face charm. And then this was from, I think this was from a bargain bead box from before. And then just a couple of my little feathers. And then this was just a little three. They came like this. They're little charms. I don't know. I might have got them at Michael's or Joann's. Not really sure. And then these are gemstones. This is, let me see. This is jade. Those are jade rondelles. And then just the copper things. I got those from Bargain Bead Box. These were from Potomac Beads, I think. And then these are, what are those? Topaz, I'm trying to think what they are, excuse me, real quick. Oh, yeah, they are topaz jade. So just working on some pretty things here. I like leaving it on here when I first show it to you. So these are the earrings. And of course I'm doing mixed metal again because, you know, I've got some silver in there because I don't really have any rules when I make jewelry. So I have some copper in there, and then I did silver for the ear wires, and then I did silver spaces for that. So I made these. I love the way these turned out. And then this is, move this out of the way. Then this is the set with the little Buddha charm, and then just kind of made these. Of course, these are from Dollar Bead Box, the fire polish, beautiful pieces. And then I have some of these. And then I did a silver lobster clasp. So I love this set. I think this would be so pretty. You know, there's Valentine's and Mother's Day coming up, so I'm just kind of working on some stuff for my Etsy store. So I thought I would share it with you guys. So I have these pieces right here. And then, let me put this aside. This other one, now I will say, I have, let me just kind of show you. They're very crude looking, but I've just been working on some silver, like hammered silver. I got the artistic wire, and then I've been just working on some shapes, and then I just kind of hammer it down, and it makes it more durable. I did this, I'm not really sure, kind of looking at it, and I don't really know if I'm going to use it for anything. And then I did this. So I'm just kind of working on some pieces like that. So let me get this together here. So this was what I came up with for that. I'm going to leave it on here at first to show you. So I kind of made this and kind of just kind of wrapped it around and then put the dangles on there. But I thought this was kind of cool. So it's just something different, you know. So I did this. Let me lay these down. Take these off. I'm running out of room here. When you have a huge table and you run out of room, you know you've been busy. So these are the earrings, and then I just use these little dangles. I just made an extra, and I just wrapped the wire around just to do this. And then let me put this to the side. So then this is the one that I did. So I love, and I just did these little dangles along with it, and I did the one in here, and just kind of wrapped everything in there. Did a lobster clasp. So yeah, so I did this, and then I have this. So yeah, it's just kind of what I've been working on. I have been busy in my room. Like I said before, I've been watching Chicago PD because I'm from Chicago. Moved to Florida about 17 years ago, I think. And it's so funny because I sit here in my bead room and work and watch Chicago PD, and it's like they talk about places on there, and I'm like, oh, I've been there, and I used to live there. And so yeah, so it just keeps me busy, and I'm loving this. So I hope you guys, hold on, my lighting went out for a minute here. So yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying this, seeing all my stuff I'm creating, and let me know down in the comments what you guys are working on. I love hearing you guys when you guys leave comments, and you know, give me let me know how you like everything, because it, you know, keeps me going here. So I will leave the links to my social media below. My Etsy, I have an Instagram, a Facebook, and a Pinterest page. So if you would like to follow me on any of those, I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And I will make sure to keep posting videos. I've got a lot more planned for 2023. So, and you know, I'm working on a few of these things, and when I figure out more about what I'm doing here, I'm going to do a tutorial and just show you, you know, like kind of how I just came up with this. And I just kind of wrapped it around like one of those wooden dowels, just to kind of get the shape in there. So this is pretty much what I'm working on right now. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you on my next video. You guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.